Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add logistic business leads to Google Sheets. So suppose I'm running a logistic business and our objective here is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead, I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheet. For that, I'm going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. How I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And suppose I'm running a transport and logistic business, and this is my Facebook page. And I'm also running an ad through which I'm getting a lot of leads on my Facebook page. And what I want here is that I want to add these Facebook lead details in my Google Sheets. For that, I'm going to create an integration between my Facebook page and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I will open this new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, you can sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. And if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will get to see this page. Here, these are all the tools that Pabbly offers. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section and we can create new folder from here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I'm going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is add business leads to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflows in. So I will select Home and I'm going to click on Create. And it will take me to this most important window of my workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. These are the two main principles on which my workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger will be the first step that will get executed in my workflow and Action will just follow that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my trigger, and for Trigger application, I will search for Facebook and I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. For that, I will open this and my trigger event will be new lead instant. So this will trigger when a new lead is submitted in specific lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. So I'm going to select this. So I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to click here. I will click on add new connection. I will connect with Facebook lead ads. I'll click on continue. So I have successfully connected my accounts. Now let's go back to my Facebook page. So this is my page and this has the name Expressway Logistics. Now I will open this all tools and I will go to instant forms. And here I have this form, lead form. Let's preview this. So these are the informations, full name, email, phone number, city, country. And so this is how my form look like. I'm going to close this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I will map my page, which is Expressway Logistics. Now I will map the lead gen form. So I will open this and my form is lead form. So I will click here and I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see this says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So now I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So I will open that. I will click on my apps. I will click on tools. I will scroll down and I will find this lead ads RTU debug tool. I will open this. Here I'm going to map my page, which is Expressway Logistics. And this is my form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview this form and I'm going to create a test submission. So I will preview this form. So this is my form. I'm going to fill dummy details here. Full name will be dummy user. So my email will be dummyuser1@pablitudes.com. Now I'm going to give a random mobile number. So this will be my mobile number and the city will be Bhopal. And the country is India. So I'm going to click on next and I'm going to click on submit. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in the response, we have the response. So full name is dummy user. Email is dummyuser1@pablitudes.com. Phone number is this. And the city is Bhopal. Country is India. Now what we need is we want to add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, I'm going to set up my action. For that, I will open this and I will search for my action application, which will be Google Sheets. I will open this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this and my action event will be add new row. I'm going to click on connect. I'll click on add new connection and I will click on sign in with Google. I will click on continue to give access to my account. So my connection is successful. Now let me take you to my Google Sheet. And this is my Google Sheet. The name is Facebook Leads. And we have 6 columns here. First name, last name, email, mobile number, city and country. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to select my spreadsheet, which is Facebook Lead. I have already selected this. Now I will map all these details here from the previous tab. And I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which we can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and our data is continuously changing. So this will replace the real data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. So first I'm going to map the name. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this and I will map the name. Similarly, I will map the email. Now the phone number, city and the country. So these are the details that I have filled. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So we have this response. Now to check whether we have these details in our Google Sheets or not, let's go back to Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this new row in our Google Sheet. So the name is dummy user. Email is dummyuser1@pablitudes.com. And the mobile number is this, city is Bhopal and the country is India. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see our workflow is working successfully. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger and our trigger application was Facebook Lead Ads and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action and our action application was Google Sheets and our action event here was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created my workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. I will also put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.